Good morning, guys. It's a Sunday and I'm about to have some breakfast before I go to church because I'm not trying to starve in church. Look how good these sausages look. They smell so amazing. But I've still got, this is day 7, 83 days. Hello, Bubba. Hello, Bubby. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Yes. Oh, Bubba's okay. It's okay, look. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but you always do it to me. Mom, I need to tell you something. I'm pregnant.
How long?
3 months.
Eu não sei como é que este meu filho. I don't skill.
How do you feel, Mom?
Feel happy?
Do you feel okay that you've just been pranked? Oh, guys, that was hilarious, wasn't it, Susu?
Yeah.
Wasn't it, Susu?
Depende ya, oye, vai fincar minha.
What do you mean?
Foi como que queres vai no fie. Ele mor po ako ngale kang. E fie mor. Oh, lo ni por ba ngai.
Don't worry, Siaosi's got that on pack, Mum. That was so funny. Mum's like, my mum's reaction, I don't know if you could see it, obviously you couldn't because her back was faced to you guys, but she was like, really? Like she was disappointed. Excuse me, Mother? Okay, guys, so I just got back from the hairdressers. I just did my hair. And what, girl? What? What do you think about your daughter's hair?
Looks nice.
Oh, thank you, Mummy. But Siaosi is opening oysters or something like that. Also, I'm going to go to Costco to my car. What is that?
Stop.
Disgusting. Oof. Oh, yucky. Oh, yucky. Yeah. Who's he talking to?
Mom.
So I just finished filming and I'm about to go home soon, but yeah, I just wanted to show off my hair once more, and tomorrow's a public holiday, so I don't need to go to bed early, but I want to tell you guys a story time about my hair today. So I went and got my hair done today, and personally I think it was overpriced. And you see, like, this side wasn't even curled properly. Like, do you call that curled? And I just feel like it's going to be my last time going to that place again, especially when I got my brows did. And they were getting threaded, right? Like on fleek right now, but there was like some brow hair like down here, and the lady was just so carelessly brushing the hair off, and she grabbed a tissue and she was just like brushing all the hair down off my nose. And what do you see here on my nose? It's called a nose ring. Well, her eyes were unknown to it. She just kept brushing and she brushed over it, and she ripped out my nose ring. She did. Now, I was a bit ashamed to ask for a free. I was a bit ashamed to ask for that for free, even though I should have gotten it for free. She shouldn't have charged me for that. I mean, I didn't tell her to thread my nose ring out. But she charged me for my eyebrows. And she ripped my nose ring out. And I sat there for a good 3 minutes, maybe 3 to 5 minutes, and I was sweating because I was just trying to get this nose ring back in my nose. And I don't know what's going on, but it always gets infected at like some periods of the year. And so right now it is like kind of puffy. So the what's this skin called? It's called like this kind of skin on your nose. What? Well, anyways, this skin on your nose is like the same skin on your ears. It's really thick, and because like if my nose ring comes out, it's gonna close really quick, and you better get up and get it punched in. So I lay there and I realized that it had come out, and I was just like, crap, still laying there. And she's like, oh, sorry dear, it's on your face. And I'm like, this stupid lady, I'm sorry. But honestly, I expected her to pick it up and try to put it back in because she's the one that ripped it out, and she didn't. So I had to sit up, stand up, get off the bed thing, and then go to the mirror quickly. And I sat there for a good 3 minutes, and I was sweating, and she's just like standing there looking at me, waiting for me to finish. And then I finally, after so many attempts, pushed it in. It was so painful, pushed it in. And then because it's like an L, so you have to push it in and then slot it down like that. When I finally got it in, she just acted like she wasn't the one that did it, and it wasn't her fault. And then she just went back to threading my eyebrows, the other eyebrow. And I swear I could have just run out and not paid for my hair and my eyebrows. I honestly thought of doing that and just paid for and just left one eyebrow like this, and I would have gone to do the other eyebrow somewhere else. But when I got up and I tried to put that nose ring out, I was about to run out that door because I was like, I'm not going to pay for this. And I'm going to get my hair done free too because of this. But I didn't. I was just too embarrassed. So then I just shut my mouth and just kept going. And then when it came to the charge, I was like, okay, you better speak up, girl. You better speak up and tell them that you better get that for free. And then she was like, $70 blah blah dollars. I was like, oh, yep, just on card. I'm such a wimp. Guys, I need to grow some backbone in me, you know. Sometimes I have it, but I just didn't have that day. And especially because I built rapport with them, and I just felt like I couldn't because I just had that good conversation with them, and now I was just going to turn into this beast. If I didn't know them, then I would have been like, okay, hold on. But because I had a relationship with them, I felt like, I don't know. But I was just like, you know what? I'm going to do one of those ones, send a review on their Facebook page and make 1 star. Because my nose is so sore right now. Oh my gosh, can you guys see it? It's like all red and bloody. Morning guys, it's a Monday and it's a public holiday. I'm currently in the process of making myself some fresh orange juice. So I've got my oranges here, and I got my juicer there. And I got a bit of ginger there as well, which I'm excited to make. Aussie is at the farm. He'll be here in a couple of hours. The part I hate most is cleaning it up. Look at that. Okay, so I gotta get cleaning, guys. It's such a process, these juices. What's he got back from the farm not long ago?
Hi everyone.
I feel like you guys haven't seen him for ages.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm so busy to do many things to do at home. That's why you've never seen me before. But I'm starting now to make another video and you see me every time. Hello everyone, we're here at the mall. Just enjoy the public holiday. I'm gonna cut my hair. To be honest, I'm gonna cut my hair. And my wife's still looking for his offer.
His?
Still.
Oh my god.
She's looking for her clothes. Yeah. Spend some time and to look around and nothing much to do. It's good if we have a long weekend.
So there's another long weekend coming up, and baby, can you take my glasses off?
What?
Okay, so there's a long weekend coming up, another one after this one, and you guys know that it's going to be Siaosi's 1 year here in Australia. So I've got something planned for him. We might just go to the movies.
No.
What? Don't you want to go to the movies?
No.
Why?
Make me your kitten. I'm sorry guys. Don't want to go to movies for my 1 year.
What? You will get what you get, okay? Don't be so ungrateful.
I want to go overseas.
Alright, don't get your hopes up that high. We're not going overseas, honey. I'm hungry. Can I have some pizza?
I'm hungry. Do you want some pizza?
Huh?
You want some pizza?
I dare you to walk around with it on.
Do you want to eat the pizza?
Oh, thank you. No, I want a hot dog. Look, there's a hot dog there.
You want to eat me?
Huh?
You want to eat me?
No. E longa pizza e massa pepino. Mafu. E mafu nga pizza.
Hi everyone. Now just finished shop and we're waiting for a boost.
Yep. True story.
Yep.
Go, Evan.
I've been reading as well.
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do.
Singing it wrong. They can't
Do 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 do.
how we're gonna passing this is not going to affect any of these other which it will.
Don't pull that.
Equality, that's what they're wanting. They're wanting the rights. The rights that the same, but it opens up for us to be more acceptable, which means that education. You've got to change these things to teach our next generation.